In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Forms with other teachers by adding collaborators in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to collaborate and ensure that everyone has a say in the creation and management of forms. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive. This is where all your documents, forms, and other Google files are stored. Simply open your preferred internet browser, type Google Drive in the search bar, and click on the official link to access your drive. Once you've opened Google Drive, go ahead and click on the Apps section. This is your central hub for accessing all the various Google applications available to you, including the ones you use regularly. Being organized from the start can save you time and keep your projects neat and tidy. Inside the Apps section, locate and click on Forms. This will take you straight to the Google Forms interface, where you can either create new forms or select an existing one. If you already have a specific form in mind, you'll want to find it on your list of saved forms. Now that you're in the Forms section, browse through and select the form that you want to share. It should be easy to find if you've properly named your files. Being able to quickly find what you need is a productivity lifesaver. After selecting your form, look for the share icon, which is usually located in the top right corner. Clicking on this icon allows you to manage who can view or edit your form. Sharing can be incredibly useful, especially if you are working on a team project. Before adding collaborators, make sure to remove any restrictions on sharing. You want to ensure that selected people will have seamless access. This step is crucial to avoid unnecessary access issues that could disrupt your collaborative efforts. Next, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the collaborators you wish to add. Typing carefully to avoid mistakes ensures that everyone you intend to add receives the appropriate access. Double check these addresses to make sure there are no typographical errors. Once you've input the correct email addresses, choose the access level. Typically, you'll be selecting Editor so that your collaborators have the ability to make changes and suggestions as needed. Being clear about access levels helps maintain control and collaboration. Finally, after ensuring everything is set up correctly, click on Send. This will finalize the process and send out invitations for collaboration. Having successfully sent the invitation, your collaborators will receive emails prompting them to join and partake in editing the form. And there you have it, you've successfully shared a Google form with other teachers by adding collaborators. This straightforward process is an efficient way to enhance teamwork and streamline your workflow. Happy collaborating!